Have you ever seen a tiny bird that seems to change the color of its feathers? This is the Loten's Sunbird, native to southern India and Sri Lanka. There are about 150 species of sunbirds across Africa and Asia. Their brilliant metallic colors are not created by pigments, but by microscopic structure in their feathers that reflect light, producing their shimmering iridescence. So, if you are in India or Sri Lanka or planning to visit, keep an eye out for this tiny color changing bird. You might just catch it, feathers changing from deep purple to almost black as it moves through the sunlight. See you next time.